Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting equation. 16 to the power of x plus 4 times x is equal to 3, and here we're going to solve for the real value of x. Okay, so let's see how we're going to solve this problem. From this left hand side, we can subtract 4x from both sides. So we get here 16 to the power of x plus 4x minus 4x. So this is equal to 3 minus 4x, right? So we know that here this is equal to 0, right? So we only have 16 raised to the power of x from the left hand side, and this is equal to 3 minus 4 times x. Now from here we can change the sides of this equation. So we can make the right hand side the left hand side, the left hand side the right hand side, but don't change the sign. So we have here 3 minus 4x is also equal to 16 raised to the power of x. Now from here, we're going to factor out the coefficient of x here, which is 4. So if we factor out 4 there, we're left with, this will be 3 over 4, right? Then minus x. So this will be equal to 16 raised to the power of x. Now what are we going to divide both sides with? We're going to divide both sides with the product of this 4 here and this 16 to the power of x. So this is what I mean. 4 into bracket 3 over 4 minus x divided by 4 multiplied by 16 raised to the power of x. So this will be equal to 16 raised to the power of x divided by 4 multiplied by 16 raised to the power of x. Now you can see from here we have some nice cancellations going on here. And what are these cancellations? So notice that here 4 we cancel 4, here 16 raised to the power of x we cancel 16 raised to the power of x, right? Okay, so now from here we have here 3 over 4 minus x, then multiply by, so this is same as 1 over 16 raised to the power of x. So this is equal to, we only have 1 over 4 at the right hand side. Okay, so what are we going to do next? Now 1 over 16 to the power of x, we can write it using this property. We know 1 over a raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of negative n. So this left hand side we have 3 over 4 minus x, then multiply by 16 raised to the power of negative x. So this is equal to here 1 over 4. Now we're trying to obtain equal power of 16 with this expression in the bracket. So we need to make the power of 16 here equal with the expression in the bracket. So if we recall this property that a raised to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n will give us a raised to the power of m plus n. So if you use the idea from this property, you will notice that we multiply both sides by a number whose base is 16. But it will have a power that when you sum it with negative x, it will give us the expression in the bracket. So this number is 16 raised to the power of 3 over 4. This number here, this 3 over 4 here. So now we have here 3 over 4 minus x, then multiply by 16 raised to the power of negative x, then multiply by 16 raised to the power of 3 over 4. So this will be equal to 1 over 4 multiplied by 16 raised to the power of 3 over 4. Okay, so now from here we have here 3 over 4 minus x, then we can add that power. So negative x plus 3 over 4 is same as 3 over 4 minus x, right? So this will be equal to 1 over 4. Now we can simplify this, right? So we know that 16 is 2 to the power of 4, so we get 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 3 over 4, right? So 4 cancel 4, so this will give us 2 to the power of 3, which is 8. So this is, we're multiplying by 8. So now we already know that the right hand side is already 2, right? Good. Now we can rewrite this 16 to the power of 3 over 4 minus x using this property that a raised to the power of b is equal to e to the power of b times the ln of a. So you can see that property there. So 16 to the power of 3 over x will become e raised to the power of 3 over 4 minus x times the ln of that 16. Then multiply by here, we have 3 over 4 minus x, right? So this will be equal to just 2 at the right hand side. Now what are we going to do next? We need to make the power of e here equal with this expression in the bracket here. So the only slight difference here is this natural log of 16. So we're going to multiply both sides by the natural log of 16 and let us see what happens. So we have here e to the power of 3 over 4 minus x multiplied by the natural log of 16 times 3 over 4 minus x multiplied by the natural log of 16. This will be equal to 2 multiplied by the natural log of 16. Now we can see that this power here is equal with this expression here, and at the right hand side we need to do so because that can also be manipulated as well. So this will be equal to 2 natural log of 16 is 4 squared, right? So this will be equal to, now this power will come down here, multiply this 2, so we get 2 times 2, which is 4, times the ln of 4, right? So the left hand side here, now notice that this 4 here we can write it as e to the power of ln of 4. So let us quickly do that. So here we rewrite that as e to the power of ln of 4 as well. So e to the power of ln of 4, then multiply by the ln of 4. Okay, so let us make a little bit space here. Okay, so this is equal sign here. So the left hand side here we have e raised to the power of 3 over 4 minus x times the ln of 16 multiplied by 3 over 4 minus x times the ln of 16. Now we can make use of the Lambert-W function on both sides. So if you don't know what this function is talking about, or if you don't know the property of this function, let us see just a little bit explanation. Should I call it explanation? Let me just show you the property here. So the w, that is the Lambert-W function of fish, times e raised to the power of fish. So this will give us our fish back. So do you understand? You will see that this power of e here is equal with this expression here. Then look at this equation from the right hand side. This and this are equal, and from the left hand side this and this are equal. So if you take the Lambert on both sides will evaluate nicely, right? So the left hand side will become 3 over 4 minus x times the ln of 16, right? So this will be equal to the right hand side, we just have the ln of 4. You see? Okay, we're almost there. Now let us divide both sides by the ln of 16. So divide by ln of 16. So this will cancel this. From this right hand side we can still manipulate that as ln of 4 divided by ln of 4 squared. This power coming down here, so we get ln of 4 divided by 2 times the ln of 4. So this and this cancel, and we only have now 3 over 4 minus x is equal to 1 over 2. I think we're almost done, right? Okay, so here now we get that x is equal to 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2, which is equal to 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2 is same as 2 over 4, and here we get 1 over 4. So therefore our solution now is that x is equal to 1 over 4 or 0.25, and this is our solution. Thank you for watching. Please, if you really enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment and share. Bye bye.